Cumulative distribution function. The distribution function in univariate case was the probability of x less than or equal to small x. Now, when it comes to the bivariate case, we have two random variables x and y, which may be discrete or continuous. Then the f of xy, that is a cumulative distribution function, can be written as probability of capital X less than or equal to small x and capital Y less than or equal to small y. So when these two conditions are satisfied, is called f of xy is called a CDF or the cumulative distribution function of x comma y. So in the discrete case, these values we know it as discrete points. So f of xy is equal to summation of I from 1 to x and j from 1 to y pij. So we are going to cumulative sum. We are going to sum those values for the f of xy in the discrete case. In similar fashion, when it comes to the continuous case, this f of xy is calculated from integral minus infinity to y, integral minus infinity to x, f of xy dx dy. So in continuous case, it is integrating over the ranges of x and y up to y, x and y, and in case of discrete, we sum it. So some of the properties of the cumulative distribution function is given here, that is f of minus infinity y or f of x minus infinity is equal to 0. That means any of the random variables takes the value minus infinity, then this cumulative distribution function is 0 and f of infinity is 1. Also, probability of a less than or equal to x less than or equal to b, comma y less than or equal to y is equal to probability of b comma y minus f of b comma y minus f of a comma y. And some other properties are also given here. And at the point, if these f of xy, that is our probability density function, that is we know probability density function is a continuous function. So at these points, if this f of xy is continuous, then dou square f by dou x dou y is equal to f of xy. That is, from the cumulative distribution function, by partial derivating it with respect to x and y, we will get the probability density function.